Hello everybody, welcome to today's session. Today we will be seeing another example for MapReduce program. So today we are going to take the file stores.txt. So let me show you the file. Okay, so this is a file. Now here we see the first column is the date, and the second column is the time. The third column we have the store location. Then we have product as the next one, and then we have the cost, and the final one is a payment method. So these are the values that is available in this file. Now what is our problem statement is to display the location and the total cost of each location. Okay, so that is our problem statement. So we have to we have to display the location of the store and the total cost for that particular location. So this is a file that is given as an input, and we need to retrieve only the location, and then we need only the cost. Okay, if the location is same, we have to find the sum of all the cost. Okay, so this is what we have to find out. So this is the input file. So now we will go and write the mapper code for this one. So what we are going to do in the mapper code, we are just going to read line by line. We are going to strip the line. Now where we want to strip the line, wherever there is a tab. Can you see a tab here? So wherever you have a tab, there you are going to strip the line. So when you strip the line, you will get, the first one will be the date, the second one will be the time, then the third one will be the location. See, you may wonder, here there is a space, right? So this is a space, not the tab. Okay, the tab is different, space is different. So this will be the first thing we get when we strip. This 1, this will be 2, this will be 3, third will be the location, then fourth will be the product, the fifth will be the price, and sixth will be the payment method. So in that we have to get only the location and the cost. That should be the output of your map task. And in the reduce task, we need to sum up all the cost. If the location is same, we have to sum up all the cost. So it's a very simple task. So let's go and write the mapper code for this one. So I will write the mapper code, sudo nano mapper store .py. Okay, so first we have to include the header file. Okay, then you have to import sys. Then for every line in your input file, you have to repeat this. Okay, so what is the first step we have to do? You have to strip the line. So the line may have a leading and trailing spaces, you have to strip it. So we'll give line dot strip. This is just to remove the space, if there is some space. The next one, we are going to split the line. So wherever there is a tab, I'm going to split the line. So when you split the line, I think we will get around, first one was date, time, location, item, cost, and payment. I think we'll get around 6 attributes. So let me declare here date, second one is time, third one is location, then the product. Okay, so I'll declare it as item, then the cost, then the payment method. Okay, so I'm going to split the line dot split. So where I'm going to split, whenever there is a tab, so give /t. Whenever there is a tab, I'm going to split the line. Okay, now what should be your output? My output should be only just the location and the cost, right? So just print. So first one will be the string, then I need a tab. Okay, location is string, right? So then I need a tab, then the cost. So cost also I will print it as a string. Okay, so I'm going to print the location and cost. That's it. So this is what we have to do in our mapper task. Very easy. Just we are going to pre-process your input and just retry whatever things are required. okay, and then print as a result. Now Control X, give S, press enter. Now let's execute. So we have to give our input. Our input is store.txt, pipeline operator dot slash mapper store dot py. Okay, so we have a error. Yeah, I think there is one extra equal to sign. We'll just go here. So it's just line dot strip. Okay, so Control X, S. Now execute. Okay, there is another thing wrong. Yeah, comma is extra here. Okay, just go here and remove the comma. Control X, S, run. Okay, we also have another error. Okay, so it's telling store.txt is not found. So we are inside. Yeah, we are inside input files. When we give ls, we see store.txt. Okay, let's execute again. Yeah, missing is we have to give cat here. Okay, now execute. Okay, let's check. Cat store.txt, pipeline operator dot slash mapper store dot py. Okay, still there is an error. The error is invalid syntax. Okay, let's check the mapper file. Okay, mapper file, maybe we'll check this one. Hash, okay, slash user bin env python import sys. So sometimes it's difficult to find out where the error is. Yeah, the closing bracket is missing. So here if you see, the system doesn't tells you what is the error. So Control X, S, enter. Okay, now execute, we get the answer. So we get the store location and we get the cost. Okay, now let's go and write the reducer code. Okay, sudo nano reducer.py. Okay, so what we have to do here, we have to read the output of mapper. So what is the output of mapper? We get the store location and the cost, right? Just read it line by line, split the line, store the location and cost separately and put it in a dictionary. What is the reason you have to put it in the dictionary? Because you have to add the cost. You need the total cost, right? So if the pair is already there in the dictionary, add it with the existing cost. If it is not there in the dictionary, add a new entry to the dictionary. Okay, the concept will be very similar. Okay, so in reducer, either you will be doing the count or you will find the minimum or maximum or average. Okay, so that will be the change you will be doing in the reducer code. So let's do the reducer code. Hash slash usr, okay, slash bin slash env python. Okay, so very important, you should not make mistake in the header file. Okay, import sys. Now we are going to read the input of reducer. What is the input of reducer? Output of mapper is input of reducer. So you had the location and the cost, right? So you have to read every line. Okay, for every line you're going to repeat this. So what you have to do, again strip the line and split the line. Okay, so first one I'm going to strip the line. Line is equal to line dot strip. Okay, then when you split the line, you will get only two things because our output has only location and cost. So I will just write location comma cost equal to line dot split. So when you want to split, when there is a tab. So I will give /t. Okay. Now I will try to convert the cost to a floating point. Okay, so cost is equal to float of cost. So if you are not able to convert the cost, you will get the exception. So when there is an exception, you will get value error exception. So when you get error, then you have to continue. Okay, now you are going to check whether this value is already stored in the dictionary. So first we forgot to declare the dictionary, so I will go on top and declare the dictionary. Okay, store cost. Okay, I just declare the dictionary. Now if the location is already present in the dictionary, then you have to add it with that cost, right? So I will write store cost of location. So if it's already present, what you will do? Add. Okay, if it is already present, I will add store cost location plus this cost. Okay, else except, okay, if it is not already present, then I will add a new entry to my dictionary. Okay, location will be equal to cost. Okay, that's it. This is the logic. Now we have to, from the dictionary, you have to print the key and the value pair. Okay, so for location will be the key, cost will be the value, right? So for every key in store cost dot keys, what I am going to do, I am going to print. Okay, dollar, I am going to print the string, then I want to print a tab, then I want to print the floating point. Okay, percentage, I am going to print the location, comma, what is the cost for this location? I have to search in the dictionary, so I have to write store cost of location. So pass the key, you will get the value. Okay, if you pass the key, you will get the value. So we finish with the reducer, Control X, yes, enter. Now to the previous output, we had to add a pipeline operator dot slash reducer store dot py. Okay, we have an error. Okay, let's go to the reducer code. Okay, just I will check what is error. Error in sys.accept hook. Close failed in file object, no such file or directory. Okay, let me check the name of the file. I think we forgot to give the file name is wrong. Okay, so I will write reducer.py. Okay, the file name is wrong. File name is reducer. Okay, yes, we got the final answer. There is no error in the code. So we get the location and we get the total cost. So just I will tell you how the dictionary is operated. Okay, so for example, we created a dictionary called as store cost, right? So the dictionary will be empty initially. Now what will be the output of mapper? Output of mapper is location and cost. Okay, for example, we have location 1, cost is 100. Okay, location 2, cost is 200. Location 3, cost is 100. Again, location 1, cost is 50. Location 2, cost is 100. Suppose we have like this. Okay, so what we will do in the reducer, we will read each line. We will split the line. So in location, you will have L1. In cost, you will have 100. Okay, so what you have to do first, you have to convert the cost to the floating point. So when you convert the cost to floating point, if you get error, then you have to skip that line and go to the next line. And then what you have to do, you have to check whether this is already present in the dictionary. So how I will check whether it is already present in the dictionary? I will write store cost of location. Okay, I will write store cost of location. What is location? L1. So store cost of L1. Is there anything L1 here? No, it's not there. If it is there, then what should I do? I should take the cost and add it with the current cost. Okay, if it is not there, what should I do? I should add the value to the dictionary, right? So how I will add the value to the dictionary? Store cost of location is equal to cost. Do you understand? Store cost of location is equal to cost. So what is location? Store cost of, so I will write store cost of L1 is equal to 100. So if it is not already present in the dictionary, just I am adding this term to the dictionary. So in the dictionary, a key value pair will be added, L1 comma 100. Okay, now take the second line, L2. Is it already present in the dictionary? No, it is not already present in the dictionary. Now add it. How will you add? Store cost of location is equal to cost. So what is location? Location is L2 and cost is 200. Take the next one. Is it already present in the dictionary? No, it's not already present in the dictionary. So add this pair. Take this one. Is it already present in the dictionary? Yes, it's already present in the dictionary. So if it is already present in the dictionary, what you have to execute? You have to execute this one. Store cost of location is equal to store cost of location. Okay, location plus cost. Okay, now tell me, what is the store cost of, we are talking about what? L1, right? So what will be store cost of L1? Store cost of L1 will be store cost of L1 plus cost. Okay, so what is the store cost of L1? Already L1 is what? 100. Okay, plus what cost you are reading now? You are reading 50. So now store cost of L1 will become what? 150. So here update. Store cost of L1 will be 150. Do you understand? Now take L2. Is L2 already present here? Yes, L2 is already present here. So if it is already present, what you have to do? Find out the value from the library. Add with the cost. Okay, so how will you find out from the library? You will write, dictionary. You will write store cost of L3 plus cost. Okay, so what is store cost of L3? L2, it is 200. So 200 plus 100. Now it will become 300. Do you understand? So if it is already present in the dictionary, if it is already present in the dictionary, this will be the syntax. If it is not already present in the dictionary, then you have to execute this one. Okay, that is what is given in the code also. So let me show you the code again. Okay, so here let me show you the code again. Okay, so see the code again. So if it is already present in the dictionary, execute this one. If it is not present in the dictionary, execute this one. And finally what you will do, for every key in the dictionary, display the key and the value. Okay, key and the value. Do you understand? So this is your final result. Okay, so hope you understood this section. Thank you for listening.